Hello, I am back a day later than I thought I would be, but I'm here. My packages have arrived from TheRarePlantShop. The second packages. I did a first unboxing of 2 of the plants yesterday. I posted that yesterday. So go and check that out first if you like. It wasn't an unboxing, it was just showing you what was in the boxes. This is an unboxing. Not that there's really any difference, because all I'm going to do is show you plants that I'm excited about. So I have 3 plants here. One of these boxes is a little bit squished, but I'm sure that the plant inside is fine. We will see when we open it up. Yeah, like I said before, this is from TheRarePlantShop, which is Kaylee Ellen's online UK-based plant shop. And I went a little bit mad, but I'm going to go on a no-buy soon, so this is my sort of last treat to myself before I disappear into the realms of no plants. Well, it's not true, I'm just going to be looking after the ones I already have. My little scissors. Let's get into it straight away, because I am about to leave and I don't have too much time to do this. So. Ooh. Problem with unboxings is that basically you just get to watch me being awkward and panicky for a few minutes, because I feel like if I stick this scissor in here I'm going to cut the leaves. There we go. Okay. Box number 1 open. One of these boxes is a plant that I'm incredibly excited about. I already have one. You might be able to guess what it is if you've watched my previous videos. My other specimen of this plant is in very bad shape, so I decided to get a second one because it's been one of my #1 wanted plants, required plants for a very long time. You will see. It might be this one. Will it be this one? Who knows? So, as always, we've got the beautiful packaging. We've got this lovely little business card from Kaylee. And then I just ripped it apart without showing you, but you've got the lovely black tissue paper stuff, and then this sticker, and then inside these fantastic little pockets. I actually really like these. I wasn't sure the first time I saw them, but I think they're really, really good. Okay, this is the first package, and there should be 2 plants in here. Yep. Amazing. Okay, so plant number 1, obviously a little bit battered because it's been stuck in the post for a few days. I think these were in here for 4 days total. Still very good shape. This is the Philodendron Mamei, which I adore. Beautiful. Couple of amazing characteristics for this guy. I mean, apart from just the general beauty. They've got these like silver ripples along the leaves, which are gorgeous, and they get a bit more pronounced with age. So as it gets bigger, they will get bigger as well. It's actually, again, much bigger than I expected. This is a running theme with the TheRarePlantShop. Everything I order, I expect to be a certain size, and it comes a lot bigger. So that's very exciting. There's a new leaf coming through there, and then, I mean, don't worry about the little, like the battered leaves. That will sort itself out in no time, but just look at that for a sec. Gorgeous. Very similar to the larger plant I unboxed, or I showed you in the last video, the Philodendron soliroi, in that it has that silvery touch. The main difference here is that there's less of the silver, for one thing. The leaf shape is a little bit different, and the petioles have this amazing ripple to either side of them. It's going to be quite hard to show you, but right there you can see there's kind of this wave to either side of the petiole, and it's really gorgeous. So this is a plant I'm super excited about. Oh, thank God it's here. I was panicked. I was thinking that it wasn't going to arrive today, and I was going to have to leave it out. We'll get the courier to just leave it somewhere. So that's number 1. This second one, just from looking down at it, it doesn't look like it's in as good shape. I might be wrong when I take it out. Oh no, we're okay. We are good. It's just a little bit crumpled. So we have this, I'm assuming this is to keep the humidity a little bit higher, because I have an Anthurium here, and Anthurium are a little bit more finicky when it comes to the humidity when they're shipped. I've had Anthurium shipped that have then lost all their leaves because they just got a little bit too dry. So I'm glad that this one's wrapped up like this. Come, child. So, oh, it's so pretty. It's Eve. I love it when this happens, when there's a plant that I'm like, not 100% positive. Yeah, 100% positive if I'm gonna like really love it as much in person as I do when you see it online. And then I unbox it and it's just amazing. I hope that made sense to you. I was just like talking while I was moving things. This is a slightly crumpled, which is fine, Anthurium Forgetii. Oh, and a new leaf. And I love this guy because it's one of the few Anthurium. There are a couple of others, I can't remember their names, of Anthurium that do not have the little, I can't remember what it's called, but that little heart-shaped top. So instead it's just a sort of oval leaf, completely filled out up here, but again with that same veinage as like the Clarinervium magnificum crystallinum, that kind of thing. Oh, it's so pretty. Yeah, it's even prettier than I expected it to be. And like I said, that new leaf, which is fantastic, because it means that we are happy and we are growing. And like I said with the plants last time I unboxed, I'll probably leave it in this little pouch for a few days, just so I don't shock it too much. I haven't noticed a massive difference between the plants that I've repotted immediately and the pots I've left, and the plants that I've left in their shipping medium, apart from the start of their growth rate. So they won't die, they won't like hurt or get hurt. I'm really struggling to talk, you can probably tell today. But they do start growing faster if I leave them in here. So if I let them settle and adapt to the humidity and the light in the room, and then transfer their roots into another pot, they seem to start growing faster, if that makes sense. So I'd recommend trying that if you're getting plants and you can afford, or you can deal with having some plants outside of, well, I was going to say outside of cash pots, but you could stick this in like a small pot and it would still look nice until it's fully settled after a few days. That is the Anthurium Forgetii. Right, last one. This is the exciting one. Well, these are both exciting. These two are amazing. Very, very happy with them. But this last one is the one that I've been like visualizing opening, which I'm sure some of you can relate to. Where am I going to stick you? I would love to have you somewhere where we can see you, but I feel like you're not going to balance. So, just going to pop him down here in his box. Oh, so pretty. And we come to our slightly crushed box. Where are my scissors? Here are my scissors. Get all this packaging off me. And let's go. So yeah, I would absolutely recommend if you are in the UK. I'm just going to cut through this piece of paper. Sorry. Yeah, I would absolutely recommend checking out Kaylee's shop. I'm sure you have. Pretty much everyone knows about it at this point, which is incredible. But I have not seen such good quality plants for sale anywhere. A lot of other places will have stock once or twice a year, and you have to like rush to grab it. But the Rare Plant Shop seems to have things in every couple of weeks, which is just amazing. Right. The moment of truth. Here we are again. I get my little card and just showing you the packaging before I ripped it apart. Very pretty little oblique sticker there in the center. Lovely, lovely, lovely. We love. And let's open it up. So this, you might have guessed, is the Anthurium Warocqueanum. Ooh. Now that's a good feeling. This is so different to how I felt when I unboxed my last one. If you haven't seen that video already, go check out, I think it's called Heartbreaking Rare Plant Haul, Rare Plant Unboxing. And I got a shipment in from Indonesia. There was a Philodendron glorious, Philodendron melanochrysum / verrucosum, and an Anthurium Warocqueanum, and it was in such sad shape. And I have it settling in, it's starting to grow some new roots, some new shoots, but it was a depressing unboxing. This, however, is not. So again, I'm assuming because it's an Anthurium and they love that little bit of extra humidity, it's in its Plastic casing. I will obviously dispose of this in a very responsible manner because we do not want our plant addictions to make the world suffer anymore, do we? No, we do not. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, one more little scissor cut and we're there, I think. It's so frustrating. And then, I'm not going to look until I've got everything out to the side. And now, oh no. Okay. This is just actually ridiculous. And there's new growth there. No, it's so pretty. This has been, oh wow. This feels so different from the last time I unboxed this plant. This has been pretty much my #1 wish list Anthurium. Basically from day one. I think I saw it on Instagram. No, I saw it at the Kew Botanical Gardens in London. They've got a beautiful mature form. And I think at that point I was just aware of the Clarinervium. I'd only ever seen that online. And then I saw this mega Anthurium and I was like, what's that? I want that. And here it is. Oh, okay, little close up for you. I'm not going to keep you for too much longer because I have to run off for work. But look at that, dark. This is the dark form, so the leaves are going to grow in much darker. I think the other form that I bought is not the dark form. So the leaf that wasn't completely dead on it, not that it was very alive, but it seemed lighter coloured than this. Oh, look at that. Okay, enough of that. I'm going to go and stare at this for 5 minutes before I leave. And just, let's see if we can get all of them in the same shot for a moment. So we've got our 2 Anthurium, we've got the Forgetii here, we've got the Warocqueanum here, and I'm not quite sure how to say it. And then right here we've got the Philodendron Mamei. And, oh, I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Katie. Yeah. I will update you on these as we go. If you want to see some updates on these and on all my other plants, go follow me on my Instagram. I will stick it up here somewhere, and I'll pop it down in the description below. And I post pictures pretty much every few days, not every day. I'm not going to commit myself to that. Alright, thank you very much. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you very soon. Bye.